Hi, so today is December 16th and we are in Kanchanaburi. And so this morning we are starting our day off here at this place where we're going to be eating this for breakfast. And it looks really, really tasty. So we are riding at the back of this truck and we are going to go to Erawan, the waterfall. So we are at the elephant village and we're gonna go ride elephants. I'm super psyched. I don't know about these two, but but I'm psyched. And so I'm gonna ride elephants in Thailand. Okay, so Chris is getting on his elephant. See you on the next live. And Maxie and I are gonna get on our elephant. Maxie and I are on the elephant. Oh, there's a baby one! What a nice baby. Now the elephant's going down. 40-year-old male elephant that has a heart of its own. Let's see, I can see the rim long there. Yep. Me, Now we are going into the river with the elephant. The elephant is peeing and pooping. Oh, there goes the poop. The dog. So elephant safari check. This is the complex. So we're at Erawan Waterfall and the water is really blue. I'll show you later, but it's super tropical here. Very, very warm day today. And the sun is out. So there are these trees where they tie like a lot of clothes on, and it's for good luck that they pay for. Yeah, that's a lot. We're hiking up all the way to the 7th part, and it's not really a smooth hike, if you can see. So we made it to the 7th section of this waterfall. It's gorgeous. It's very quiet, remote place, and I like it. Yeah? Compared to the touristy, the more tourist spots. Wow, and there's fishies in there.